Hello. Hello people, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shart for Charlene. If you're new here, you can subscribe if you want. If not, no hard feelings. Okay. So today I'm gonna be washing my 5-year-old Microlocks. Yes, I've had these Microlocks since October 2020, so I think it's 5 years now, right? I don't know, I can't count that well. Anyway, so in this bottle I have my, what do you call it? My apple cider vinegar and water. So what I'm gonna do, totally forgot there was a gem in my hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna spritz my apple cider vinegar and water in my scalp. Because if you look at my scalp, you can see that, I don't know, not looking very, not looking very, I don't know, but yeah, this damn thing is not, okay, no, this ain't happening. Oh, there we go. So we have spritz, okay. So, spritzing, oh boy. Okay, calm down. Okay, so let's try that again, okay? Spritzing. Oops. So I'm using this to just like really clean out my hair because I haven't washed my hair in a while. I've been super busy and super not taking care of myself that well. But I'm back to it. So here we go. Spritzing more. This bottle is not that very good. I bought it at Dollar Tree, y'all. Oh my God. Crazy. But anyway, let's continue to spritz. Don't mind my hair under my arm, okay? Let's continue to spritz. Spritz. And get it all on the hair because it hasn't been washed in a while. Okay, I am all wet. So now I'm going to just, this feels so good. Oh my God, this feels like heaven. Okay, so work it all in there because sometimes I think I have scalp psoriasis. Like, I've looked up my symptoms and I think that's what it is. But I think this is just like a common problem with locks. Let me know in the comments if this is the common problem with Microlocks. I don't know. But anyway. So after washing this out of my hair, shampooing, I'm going to be using cholesterol. We're going back to our roots. We're not using fancy stuff anymore. I'm going back to my roots and I'm gonna be using this in my locks for the first time. Everybody with locks says that you can't use stuff like that, or you can't deep condition, you can't do this, you can't do that. You gotta be kidding me. It's honestly crazy what we cannot do, okay? So I really think everybody should just do what the heck they want to do. Okay, now So now I'm gonna get in the shower and wash this out of my hair. I'll be back, y'all. Okay, y'all, so now I'm in the shower. Okay. Shower, I use trusty old shampoo. Okay. Oh my god, that was conditioner. This is the shampoo. So I quite like the way my hair looks when it's wet. Look at that. I think I want to do a color for my birthday coming up. Do you think copper would look good on me? Hello. Okay, so finally finished washing my hair, and my hair is squeaky clean. When I tell you it's squeaky, like it's squeaky clean. Look at my scalp. Squeaky clean. This is not a thing. I had to reattach one of my locks, but it is squeaky clean. Okay, so I tried to dry my hair with this thing, which is like a, what do you call it, thing, and or an old t-shirt. But since I want to make this like a fast video, I ain't got time to look for these things, so I'm going to be putting this thing on my hair and then putting it into a net. So putting in my cholesterol. So much hair. Okay. So I'm back, and we're gonna see. It's pretty heated underneath there, and feels softer. So now I'm gonna rinse my hair and see how this turns out. If I can get it out, fine. If I can't, then this was just an experiment, and well, let's hope I can get it out my hair, okay? Oh boy. Okay, so I guess it, I mean, yeah, it comes out somewhat. I'm trying to get this bit out. Also, I'll say I wasn't exactly scrubbing when I was rinsing my hair from this thing. So, yes, I know I'm using a towel, but this experiment is just an experiment for the girls with microlocs, to see if, well, for the girls with colored hair microlocs, to see if cholesterol works for us too. So, I mean, my hair does feel a bit softer, and yeah, I really think it works. So there you go. Try it. I see. See you guys later. Love ya.